Yo, so we're gonna do the side part Pompadour. I know my hair isn't cut for it, and I need a cut. Might as well though, you know? So let's choose what we're gonna use today. I got Suavecito, Suavecito, Suavecito. The Mickey Mouse Suavecito, Suavecito, or Suavecito. We're going with the oil base today. Running low, slow, maybe I need to pick up a can or two. I got that code, Buster20. Alright, so here's the deal. My hair's still wet, towel dried. I'm gonna just work in a scoop or two. And I'm just keeping it real low profile, real casual. See, the good thing about the oil-based Suavecito is it's not that tough, it's really forgiving. So if you got, sides that stick out like mine, they'll sit down a lot better. So it's not the best, but the illusion is there. Alright, so now I'm just gonna slick back. Really, I only have to do the section that I'm gonna do a part at least for this part. No pun intended. So, just gonna comb back a few times, find a spot I like. Get yourself a rat tail comb. It's the one that's like a pick right here, but just one single pick. I'm gonna use this, and I'm actually gonna just do a few more of their own. Pick a spot. Pick a point at the hairline. Alright, so I got my part done, and as you can see, I got a lot of weight here now, and it's giving off the illusion that, I actually have that taper or something. It'll weigh down the weight, it'll weigh down the hair that's all caught up here, or you just get the hair cut the right way. I don't have it cut the right way. Now we're just gonna take the rake comb, I'm just going straight up to get some volume. Don't cross over, clearly. Alright, so there's two school of thoughts here. Now I can keep this section right here and this slick back part together, or I could box out and separate like I do so it looks a lot bigger up front, and that's what I'm going for. So I'm not gonna overcomb right here, I'm just gonna keep that as is. Alright, so the beauty of this product is that it's an oil based, so it's gonna stay in your hair for a while. If you need a recomb throughout the day, it's that easy. Nothing's gonna change, you just do what you gotta do. So, Suavecito oil based. Bam. Your grandpa probably had 3 flowers, you're gonna have this. It's that fun. Use my code Buster20, get your discount. Bye.